Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send money from ABN AMRO to PayPal. First thing you need to know is that you cannot transfer money directly from ABN AMRO to PayPal. The process is done inside the PayPal app, where you first connect your bank account and then move funds into your PayPal balance. Start by opening the PayPal app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access all features. Once you are on the main screen, look for the Wallet option. Tap on Wallet to continue. Inside the Wallet section, you will see different payment methods. Find and tap on the option that says Add Bank Account. This will allow you to link your ABN AMRO account to PayPal. Now carefully enter the required bank details for your ABN AMRO account. This may include your IBAN and account holder name. Double-check all the information to avoid any errors. After entering the details, confirm the process. PayPal may take a short time to verify the bank account. Once your bank account is successfully added, go back to the PayPal account section. From there, look for the option that says Add Money. Tap on it to proceed. You will now see a list of linked bank accounts. Select the ABN AMRO account that you just added. After selecting it, enter the amount of money you want to transfer into your PayPal balance. Review the details one more time, then confirm the transfer. The money will be moved from your ABN AMRO account to your PayPal account, depending on processing time. Thanks for watching.